What is the use of a 3D printer? Creating 3D objects. What is the function of RAM in a computer? Temporary memory storage. What is the function of RAM in a computer? Python. What device connects a computer to the internet? Modem. What company is behind ChatGPT? OpenAI. What does PDF stand for? Portable document format. What technology is used in contactless payments? NFC. What is the name of Apple's voice assistant? Siri. What does ISP stand for? Internet service provider. What is an IP address used for? Identifying devices on network. What company created Windows OS? Microsoft. What type of files are .exe files? Executable files. Which display tech is used in modern TVs and phones? LED. What is the name of Google's smart speaker? Google Nest. Don't forget to like, comment. Thanks for watching.